it is 7 o'clock.
Good morning, dear.
We should wake up the children.
Yes, let's get ready for our shopping day.
Good morning, Rameen and Shahzain.
Good morning, Mom. I am still sleepy.
Wake up, children. Today we are going shopping.
Brush your teeth carefully.
I am ready, Dad. Look, my teeth are clean.
Very good, children. Let's get dressed now. Choose your favorite clothes.
I like this pink dress. I want the blue shirt.
Great choices, children.
This breakfast looks delicious.
I am excited for shopping today. Me too, I want a new toy.
First, finish your breakfast, children.
Everyone is ready?
Yes, Dad, let's go. I can't wait for shopping.
Come on, children. Get into the car.
Shahzain, look, the city is so beautiful. I can see a big fountain.
We will reach the mall soon.
Yes, everyone enjoy the ride.
Wow! The mall is so big. It looks beautiful.
Stay close to us, children.
Let's go inside and start shopping.
We need fruits and vegetables first.
I have the shopping list.
Can I help with the trolley? I want to help too. These carrots are bright and fresh. This broccoli looks like a tiny tree. Let's buy some healthy vegetables.
Good choice, everyone.
These apples look fresh.
I will put the bananas in the trolley. Look, I found some oranges.
Great job, children.
Mom, I like this doll. I want this toy car.
Choose only one toy each.
Then we can continue shopping.
I need a new notebook. I like these crayons. These will help you learn.
Let's put them in the trolley.
I want this teddy bear. No, I saw it first.
Children, do not fight.
Let's find a fair solution.
Sharing is always a good idea.
I will choose this doll. And I will take this car.
Well done, children.
Oh no! The jar fell down! Are you okay, Rameen? Yes, Mom, I am sorry.
It's okay. Just be careful next time.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you very much.
We had a wonderful shopping day.
Look at all our shopping.
You were very helpful today.
Thank you, Dad. I love my ice cream.
Mine is chocolate, it's delicious. Mine is chocolate, it is delicious.
Let's enjoy our treat together. This pizza looks amazing. I want a big bite of my burger. You both earned a nice dinner today.
Let's enjoy our meal together.
Thank you for joining our magical shopping day. Keep learning, keep smiling, and be kind. We had a wonderful day. Every day is a new adventure. Fill your heart with kindness and joy. Keep learning, dreaming, and shining bright. We will, Princess Tuba! Good night, everyone!